Welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a U-part wig install, as you can tell by the title. So I'm just going to be showing you guys step by step how I achieved this look with my custom U-part wig from my collection. I won't be showing the braid down process, but you get to see the pattern. And it's a really simple, easy install. This is freshly after I washed my hair, so honey, this is me in all my glory. But anyway, we're just going to jump straight into it. If you want to know any of the products that I'm using below, that'll be linked down below. And that's it. Enjoy the video.
Got message from Viber, either the hit is so hydra or we let bygones be bygones. My God, you pay for your friends. I'll take that as a compliment. Got a house full of homies. Why I feel so the opposite. Incompetent ain't the half of it. Saturdays with young lavish. Just sad as shit is I'm bad as it beats they took from the cabinet. Sorry, I'm just scared of the future. Till 2005, I got your back when you do this. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. Till 2005, hold up. 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 Hold up.
I do want to throw in, for a really secure U-part wig install, do anchor braids around your part so that way the clips really have something to hold on to and it's not like just a loose start of the braid. So you want to make sure that you have those anchor braids so that way your wig does not budge and it stays exactly where your part is.
Hold up. 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 I used to care what people thought, but now I care more, and nobody out here's got it figured out. So therefore, I've lost all hope of a happy ending, depending on whether or not it's worth it. So insecure, no one's perfect, we spend it with no shame. We blow that like Coltrane, we in here like Rogaine, or leave it like Cobain. And when I'm long gone, whole crew singing swan song, cause we all just ticking time bombs. Got a Lambo like LeBron's mom, and no matter where all of my friends go, Emily, Fam, and Lorenzo, all of them people my kinfolk, at least I think so. Can't tell. Cause when them checks clear, they're not here, cause they don't care. It's kinda sad, but I'm laughing. Whatever happens, assassins are stabbed in the back of my cabin, Labrador yapping. I'm glad that it happened. I mean it, between us, I think there's something special. And if I lose my mental, just hold my hand, even if you don't understand. Hold up. No matter what you say, what you do, when I'm alone, I'd rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. Till 2005, hold up. 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 No matter what you say, what you do, I'm gonna rather be with you. Fuck these other niggas, I'll be right by your side. 2005. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
Okay, so this is an important part of the process when doing your U-part wig, just to make sure that it gets really silky and smooth. All the products that I used will be linked down below. I do have an ebook that goes over my complete guide of all the products I use to get a really good melt, and all the products are also linked in there. No affiliate links or anything like that. So I'm going to go sit under the dryer for 10 minutes and then remove everything and add my heat protectant. And then I'm just going to go in, and this is literally like a one-pass silk press. I went over my ends like twice because I needed to get them trimmed before this, but just keep watching.
Gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, when these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Multi, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in it.
Couple figures, kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. You niggas thinking small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in the Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga, just another state case. Very nine motherfucker chase bang, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. Homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas in the middle being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like I bought this fucking house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slap every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out in cash.
For like days, only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down.
And now we're back with the curls. If you want to know exactly how I got these curls, I do have a complete curling webinar that goes over exactly how to curl your middle part, side part wigs at home. It's really simple, really beginner friendly. It's just going over the basics, basically showing you what you need to do, types of barrels. I also send you the beginner guide with all the products linked and everything. So it's a really good purchase, I think. It's only $25. It'll be linked down in the description.
Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
And to go ahead and sum this bad boy up, this is the final look. I love the way it came out. It looks so natural. And that's why I love our U-part wigs, because they lay so flat and it really gives like your hair, but better. So anyway, I'll have the wig linked below, my ebook, webinar, everything that I mentioned in this video is going to be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.